My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey, where I turn hype sneakers into riches. In other news, I did sell another New Balance 550. So I copped some Crocs earlier. I hope they ship out because I got them for a pretty good price. Should be able to make at least a little bit of money off of that. Supreme Air Force Ones should be restocking. Today we have some more Nike drops. 4 Dunk Lows, pretty good. We have some clothing flips coming up. Today we have Jordan 4 Military Blacks restocking on Finish Line and JD Sports. Alright, I've actually been planning to upgrade my computer and the parts came in. If you want to watch the video where I go more into detail about the parts that I'm getting and my general computer setup, then I do have a video that I uploaded. It will be linked in the description. But for now, today I'm gonna be going ahead and try and build this thing. It is 1 a.m. and I'm still not finished yet. I gotta go to sleep now because there are a few drops tomorrow if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I gotta get my to bed. In about 5 minutes we have some dunks dropping on Snipes and we also have a dunk dropping on Nike. I'm not expecting to get anything on Snipes because their stock is always super duper low. On Nike, I'm expecting to get at least one, if not a few. Hopefully I get at least something today. That would be dope. That's the goal.
Malloy, is it you again?
I got a decline on Nike. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got my own bypass. Come on, please. Yes, I got one. 6.5 in the dunks. Overall, pretty happy about the releases today. Anyways, back to working on my computer. Although it's technically ready, I can't use it quite yet. Basically, what I want to do is have the smallest amount of downtime possible. So before I fully commit to this upgrade, first I need to make sure almost everything is on the new computer first. My bots, my editing programs, any applications, servers saved, etc. Anyways, we did get some shoes in today. Some Supreme Air Force Ones, some mids, and some more Air Maxes, some brick flips. Should be decent flips, but I have not had time to do any selling. I haven't had time to list on eBay. So I gotta figure it out. I gotta start selling shoes soon. We got some more stuff that came in today. A couple of Crocs. No, not a couple. A few Crocs. And the dunks that I copped. Man, the shipping on this was quick. Size 6.5 Y, so nice. Kind of just waiting on my SSD now, and so that I can start transferring files over. We got more shoes that came in. Let's see what's in these boxes. By the way, check this out. What the heck? I think that it's basically open. That's a shame. Oh my god, this is sick. Some mids and 3 Supreme Air Force Ones. In other news, I also sold the 2 PlayStations that I've had. I tried to sell these on eBay, let's just say, didn't really work out. Unfortunately, the cost of convenience and security is going to be lower payouts, but that's generally how it goes most of the time. We got a few drops today. The first drop is going to be for Jackie Robinson Dunks. They are going to be at 10 a.m. Decent resale price. We're going for them. Let's do this. Oh, something dropped. Damn, I wish I had a Mac for this. Oh, yeah. Oh, I hit one on Nike. Oh, I hit a men's pair, 10.5. Dude. At 12 o'clock, we got a huge release. Louis Vuitton, Virgil Abloh, Nike collaboration. Everybody wants these. Bots literally just updated so that they can support the website. Honestly, this is going to be nearly impossible either way. Kind of just got to get lucky. That's the way it's going to go. So let's go for these. That has got to be one of the worst drops I've experienced. All I know is that no bots checked out in the US. Actually, no, there were some bots that checked out in the US, but I think that most, if not all of those orders got canceled. And then after maybe like a total of around 10 checkouts across literally everybody going for it, Louis Vuitton said, yeah, the drop is kind of over. And yeah, nothing really I can do about that. But anyways, we did have a few packages that came in today. 2 Dunks. What is going on here, dude? All right, these are going on eBay. Let's see what I can sell these for. Here I'm going for some Panda Dunk low grade school pairs. Foot sites have been insanely hard to bot for releases like these, but I'll give it my best shot. Oh, I copped! What? I actually got one. That's crazy, dude. So that drop today went way better than I expected. I was expecting a big fat 0, but I managed to cop 3. However, it looks like only 2 orders went through, but still more than happy with that, especially because the profit margins on these are pretty good. Also, I did manage to sell some Supreme Air Force Ones. I sold 4 of them. This is how much I'm getting paid for. Furthermore, some packages came in. Please focus. We got 2 of these Adidas shoes. These are basically bricks. However, I did pay a really good price for them, so shouldn't have too much of a problem making a profit off of them. But the looks of these, I've never seen these before, but these look pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie. I really like the design of these. And we also got my pair of Jordan 4 military blacks. They're gonna keep restocking these periodically. They're probably late shipments. I know some online retailers are still having issues with shipment delays and stuff. Therefore, tomorrow foot sites are gonna be dropping these again. This time I know what bot to use. I'm gonna stop sleeping on Heiha when it comes to foot sites, because that bot did work for me. So probably gonna use that and Prism. We'll see how it goes.